Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a bug work type in Jira for clear and organized bug tracking. So this is useful for software teams because it makes it easier to identify and tracks problems that may affect a project. So to begin, open the Jira website and sign into your account. And from the main dashboard, go to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. So from the available options, select work items. Next, look at the menu on the left side and click work types. So this page allows you to view and manage the different work types available in Jira. So click the add work type button to create a new one. In field, you can enter bug. You can also add a short description explaining that this work type will be used to track software defects or issues that affect how something works. So once the details are complete, click add to save it. And to make the work type easier to recognize, find the bug work type you just created. Find the bug work type you just created and click the three-dot menu beside it. Select edit, then click select image, and then choose an icon that represents a bug. And once you are happy with the settings, click update. And then your team separate bugs from the other tasks and keep issue tracking more organized. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.